What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Chris. For today we're gonna work on my new car, my new winter beater. It's a Mercedes. It's a 97 CLK 200. It's a European JDM, so it's a right hand drive, and I bought it for cheap, so there's a couple stuff to fix, not like a lot. It's not that serious, so yeah, I mean, I get what I paid for, right? What I'm gonna do today is we're gonna work on my car today, and our friend Ian, we're gonna change his struts on this car. So I'm gonna show you guys my 1997 Mercedes. It's a CLK 200, and here you go. As you can see, I'm on the right side of the car right now. So the car came in with a bucket seat. I mean, that's cool. But problem is, don't have a radio. It's an automatic. Broken vents, and the thing is not working. It's a lamp. So the reason why it says defective is it got a HID headlights. And I think that's the reason why there's no rear view mirror. So this car actually has 130,000 kilometers, which is low for a 97 car. Got back seat, and there's a sunroof. Also, you got the aftermarket door handle straps, and same thing on this driver's side. And there's this aftermarket door latch. That's pretty sick, you know. So I don't know if you guys can hear it, but if you're inside the car, there's like a lot of vibration right now. So my suspect is my transmission mount. No, not transmission mount, engine mount. So I bought a engine mount for it, and I also bought a transmission mount because why not, just to make sure. So engine mount, pretty sus. Hopefully not the suspension. So let's go ahead and jack this car up. While I was jacking up the car, Mark came in and he told me if I wanna use his lift. So right now the car is lifted. So my brother and Ian just got here, and what are you guys gonna do with this car?
We're gonna change the strap.
Oh, okay. That's the reason why there's a lot of vibration on the car.
It's barely moving.
Yeah. So we're gonna take this off and place it with that, and we're gonna do the engine mount after. So on the other hand, we're doing the strut for the 2017 Jetta. We just finished jacking it up. We removed the front wheels. So we're just changing the strut. This is the new one. So it's a OE Spectrum. I got the two mounts, and we're putting this new one, the one I bought from Rock Auto. I'll show you guys how to put it. So the last, so like on the driver's side, I mean on the left side, well, my car is a right-hand drive, so the passenger side, it's kind of hard to remove. There's not enough space to unscrew the bolts, so I think that's good for now. Let's go ahead and put it. So finally, look at my hands, bro. Fucking dirt. So this is the two engine mounts. Transmission mount, it's really bad. It's moving like that. I think this is the main reason that the car is like vibrating too much. I didn't think this is the one. I thought it's like the engine mount. I don't know if the engine mount is like still good, but the rubber is like ripped. Look how it moves. So what I'm gonna do right now is put everything back, clean up everything. It's not that hard. It's just my first time doing it, so trying to figure out how I'm gonna take this off, how I'm gonna position my arm. So the Jetta was a fail because my brother and Ian doesn't have the tools to remove the axle, so we just ended up putting it back together. So that's it. That one is like quieter. I don't know if you guys heard my intro, like how shaky and like how the vibration of the car sound like. It's actually like vibrating so much, and now it's like quieter. It's more comfy now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys. Peace out.